Hi friends, let me show you this new folding table that I received for reviewing purposes. As you can see, it's a nice 30 inches long table. It's useful for any activity that you need a table for, like maybe in a barbecue, in a party, in your office, in your dining room, anywhere you need a table. The table has different spaces where the legs can go, so you can decide the height that you need, okay? It's really useful for that. If you want like a really high table, like that, all the way up to 28 inches, or if you need a lower table, okay? Like this. So you can change the height, and this table can adjust to any use that you need. So if you need tables that you can use and then store away, it's also easy just to store it away. Really easy. It's not that heavy. It's really easy to carry with you. These kind of foldable tables are a great option for you, okay? Thank you very much.